On the 5th of November 2024, the Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School, Umpling, celebrated Parents' Day with a vibrant program attended by students, parents and the faculty. The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, also the local member of the District Council, was present as chief guest. The event also welcomed the Superior General of the Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, Sister Mabel Dhar, as guest of honor, alongside the school's principal, Sister Julita. In his address, the Khadc chief praised the school's role in shaping students through a unique and valuable education provided by the Visitation Sisters, acknowledging that students at the Hubert Memorial are fortunate to have supportive parents invested in their academic journeys. However, he expressed concerns about modern-day distractions, including students' excessive use of cell phones. Additionally, Pyniaid Sing Syiem noted a decline in the number of students aspiring to join the civil services, attributing it partly to parental pressure, steering students away from fields like sports or the arts due to personal ambitions for their children.
First, round of applause please for our winners. Thank you. And in first place, Yabhalam Mukhe. Round of applause for the winners of the debate competition for class 9 and class 10. Chonmi, Evangeline and Yabhalam.
Social media kaba masyukin tu yang kita ban come straight si di phone ban penerkam di mobile tentang di smartphone dan tek iba penerkam nanti jihad si yang kerja nanti menilai tidak penerkam nilai kita dulu penerkam nanti kue penerkam kita mentoy sini hak bagian penerkam ka social media tidak sih tentang kayak gitu kartu bagi kena tentang bangkiran niki kamrung show nama bakla concentrate pelan full kejoki kita nanti nama ba kalau pelan tentang kejoki science psychology ikna kilalong attract lalong adik yang mobile phone dengan shooting tu yang make pan pendek pan non disiplin ikut hidupi nama kami kandai kawai kecike kabalin saya kan kemudian dari segi sinan kibawan tentang tempat suku mengenai umki nom ikman umki nom kawan asal bagi long sokya ini long concern pada kamu biban ada sekali de bak kabaan pak nama kami ketika juk jongka jika kini ketika competition kita hotel masyarakat kerjip ikmik pawa kasih kejomi haka bayi ketika civil service examination haka national level IAS, IPS, IFS minta ajan umbak arsnen nikren dan show IAS benar jelas kejomi dengan tentuai ikmik pa kewaki nada PE ikut ikut bagi don interest aku lagi ke state government kejomi minta ladang di program tu healthcare abo anjilan don server di sama lagun ki program ki coaching program ki ban penjebet ikna hadir belajar jika high secondary belajar jika graduate di bawah ban net coaching dan minta civil service examination kila berbentuk jimat rupa pun ikut nama kali kalau berengkam harus kata-kata nama gila guna pelaki officers IS buat schedule itu ni nanglah banyak kita tidak sampai balai sama deklar kan ban berturun kembali di policy status dan department of health lawan dan baru IS kita nama Kini juga keren kumki nomikmat nomor dan kampan pensyuri kami paru nama kelas dan jibatan